You're recording right now.
Okay. Watch my cat go very slow. She is very old. This is fun. I found something to entertain me. So, I would like to put it on YouTube. Here it is. Play the fiddle, cat. And the cow jumped over the middle.
I'm taking it up.
Come on, cat, play the fiddle. It's entertaining.
I'm tired.
You will eat chicken.
I'm gonna get my intro.
Roar, I'm going to play with your whiskers.
Oh,